I already have a couple of videos about your first steps in Looker Studio in 2025, but let's talk serious right now. Let's create this nice dashboard step by step together. And this will be the first video about this. Hey, my name is Gala, I'm a marketing analyst, and I have my project Daily Reports here, like blog, big one. I have a lot of articles about Google Sheets formulas for marketing, Looker Studio. I have template store with Looker Studio dashboards and free Facebook ads dashboard and so on. But let's talk about our dashboard. So first of all, I want to create a new one. I will use this one as an example, and I will create a new dashboard, and you can do it step by step together with me. So I can go to Looker Studio, sorry. God, why it doesn't work? Okay, it works. I want to create a new dashboard, and here I will come back to the previous page. I will click to create report. So let's do it from the beginning. When you create a new report, you need to select data source. So Looker Studio offers you to do it. For probably demo account that I connected, it's a demo account. I called it demo account. If you don't know how and here on this page you can find the link how to access to demo account. So you go and after that you can add it as a data source for Looker Studio. Okay, I have it already, so I can connect to my dashboard, or I already connected it before, so I have my data sources, and I can find here. Do I have it? GA4 Google Merch Shop. This is demo account, and this is flooded another demo account. Let's use this one, for example. I don't remember what was the difference. We have this pop-up. Are you about to add data to this report? Do we want? So yeah, of course we want, because we do it, right? So we add data to report, and we have our data source. What if I go to resources, manage, edit data sources? I will see my data source here, and 0 charts, 0 variables, and it's working. We have here alias. If you have several data sources, or you want to so sometimes when you multiply dashboards, I use it for my online store, for example, but normally you don't care. When you go to edit, you can go to edit. This is demo data source, so you cannot match many things, but you can see which fields do we have here in this data source. And we have here reusable. So when you do it for the first time, you can change it to reusable. That it means that I want to use the same data source for several dashboards. This data source is reusable. Okay, dismiss. And here we have how often we refresh data. Here is 12 hours. We can update it every hour or every 4 hours, depends on like which freshness data do you need. By default, we have 12 hours, and for me, it's absolutely fine. Community visualization on. We have some standard charts, and we have community charts that any person can. We can use these community visualizations. Field editing on reports on, but it's good. But we cannot do much stuff because this is a demo account. It's this GA4 account. But when you work with Google Sheets, I use a lot like fields, parameters, filter by so on. What else we can see here? We can see how many fields do we have. Fields, it's metrics and dimensions. Dimensions is our breakdowns and metrics. So in the simple way, dimensions normally is a text, not it could be different, but text, city, date, whatever, and all numbers are metrics. Let me scroll. So this is metrics or measures in Looker. So we are fine. We edit our data source. What else do I do for the first? I rename my reports. I have name this one. I can just copy from here. Okay, I don't know. Let's call it like this. It's important to have a clear name for the dashboard to see it later in the list of your dashboards. The next thing is important. It's freeform layout and responsive layout. It seems like super nice on this view, but in fact it is a bit more tricky. And I think we can start with freeform layout and don't care about mobile. For mobile, I would use like some simple short version when you already have the big one. So why is it important to do it right now? Because you cannot change it later. So I need freeform. Yes, and we automatically created our first chart. So I'm super happy with this, but I don't need it. So I can remove. Again, then I go to theme and layout. I want to set up, I want to do some settings here. And what do I have? I have layout and theme. I can use some theme. I can extract theme from the picture, but I can customize. Let's customize. And I can go click to edit and see what do I have here and just replay. Hey. And I want to see report background color. I have gradient here, so I can choose exact color or I can select gradient. I use linear gradient. This color I use third gray. So let's do similar here, gradient. This one, instead of white, I want this gray. And this is black. Oh, no, it's second gray. This is second gray. Okay, so report background color done. Okay, let's keep this chart for a second. Customize. What do I have? Primary font. I don't care much. Okay, I chose Ubuntu here. Let's do the same. So you can select font that you want to use for dashboard as a primary font. It will be titles. And there is a secondary font, accent font family. Okay, so this will be normal one, and this will be titles. Yeah, this is the titles. Let's do same. I don't like to do a lot to have fun with fonts, so it should be like simple. And our main goal is to make it easy to read, right? So if we choose a really dark background, our primary font color should be white, or like I use like light gray. Okay, let's use this one, this gray. Chart title color, I think it's a bit different because I created, you see how Looker Studio updates. Let's say when I created dashboards right now, and it's a bit different settings that we have. Chart title color, yeah, let's keep gray. Component, background, and border, I think transparent is fine. Opacity, yeah. Border, I don't like borders, but we can do, as you see. Oh, theme and layout. Customize. Yeah. You see, what is this? I don't like it, so I remove. Border radius, I didn't, yeah, I have something here. I have 10 here, let's do same. Look here to this corner right now. Nice. Then border weight, none. Border shadow, I don't like shadow, but sometimes I use for design, but first of all, when you start to work with dashboard, create the simplest one, the most simple possible. So remove all different fonts, remove different colors, shadows, and so on. So you concentrate on content, on your data. So don't care about this stuff. And then when you feel comfortable, you can select something. Then accent color, white as well. Component background, can we select dark if we cannot do transparent, right? So I should select dark. Then text box styles. Text box, it's this one, text. We can type something. Hi there. So we have text and go to theme and layout back, customize. Where is it? Font family auto. It means Ubuntu in my case because it's Ubuntu here. Font color by default, I want white or like light gray. Background color, I think transparent. I don't want to mess up with background, but could be nice as well to do something like this or like this. So you can play around if you want, but we can make something simple. Link text color. Link, it is like if I do link here, which color it will be. I have my company colors, and I have this pop-up pick, this eyedropper extension. This is the name of this extension that I super like, and I have already my colors here, so I can easy copy colors from here, and theme and layout, customize. My links should be this color. I like it green because this is what I use a lot. Green, high text box border, right? Then we have data styles. This is main. So when we create a chart, we have these colors on chart, and here on this point we set up these colors. Let me see how it is here. Okay, we can do it here as well, and I will use my drop palette, airdrop. What do I have here? I have pink, copy. It takes some time, but I like to do it in the beginning when I just start to work on the project, because it's like it makes my life easier later because I already set up design and I already know how it will be in the final version. If you don't know, it's not necessary to do it from the beginning, but I like it. And this is my life hack because for me it's faster to do it, to set up it in the beginning and create charts already with when I know which colors will I use, etc. When I work with clients, of course I cannot know sometimes what do they like or not, and what they do. I can create like couple of charts and show and present it, and then agree with the design and then work on the whole dashboard, because it could be a mess. It could take time if you create the whole dashboard in one design and then your client said, oh no, sorry, let's change everything, I don't like this layout, color, or whatever. So I set up first colors. Normally in the dashboard I recommend you to use like 2-3 colors, 5, not much. yeah, so I don't put a lot of attention for the rest of them. Chart styling defaults. Yeah, I don't want to mess up with this. Oh, this is funny stuff. Let's change this chart to bar chart. Go to theme and layout and you will see what it is. No, it's something not nice. Let's do source, session source medium, and let's do session. Let's do sessions, and we come back to our theme and layout, and we continue to work here. Let's go. We are on bar white. Look what is here. Hey, friend. So we change design for our bar chart. Why you don't show me? Yeah, so you can do thin or thick columns and distance between them. I like to do something like 80, 90 here, for example, and 80 here. Yeah, kind of this. I think it's fine. Then grid. What do I like? I try to not make it transparent. Let's refresh the page. Okay, I like to make it transparent because it makes charts cleaner. If you think so, in your case, you should add something. I recommend you to add, where is it? Grid color, like close to your. It's really weird. It's really slow. Close to your background, that you will not have the big difference in colors. Yeah, we cannot work like this. You cannot see what I'm doing. Okay, let's change. Let's update the page again. Show me. Yeah, so you see the light, and you can see data, and your all attention on data, not on this grid. I think for our case we can use, actually I like it. We can keep it like this. Positive change. Green. Our green, I like to keep it in the same style, and pink as a negative one. It's again, you see, so weird. Then chart header, show on hover. Look, you see, you don't see, you see, you don't see. I think it's nice when we show on hover as options don't show or always show. Depend what you prefer and if you need it or not. And primary font color, we cannot see it. Let's do white. Yeah, or maybe a bit darker like this. You see we have pencil some signs here, and this I change with this color. Page navigation style, it will be here, or like page navigation. Now we have one page. Okay, so this is a style. So which color we'll use for this page navigation? Here, what I have here, I use active font color. Okay, let's do something like this. I will use dark green, font color gray, and background dark. So I set up everything. This is our dashboard style. We can change it on chart level as well. So we have set up, we have styles for each chart. But why should we set up styles for each chart? It's so exhausting and time consuming. So I do it on theme and layout. And we observed with you theme. Let's go to layout. On layout, we have freeform and responsive. We already talked about it. And header visibility, always show. Header visibility, this one, if it will be always show or not. I want to show it always show. I agree. When it is auto hide or initially hidden, sometimes it's it's not so obvious. I really don't like what is happening today with the bar chart. So we have navigation type on the left. It will be here, tab, top left, and hidden. I think when it is tab, here is tab. When it is top left, it will be here and on the left panel. I select tab. Fit to right actual size. It depends on your screen. What do you prefer? I don't have recommendations here. Respect report theme. Yes, I want to respect. Has margin. Yeah, let's have it. And our size. We have some preset up, but in fact, how it's going, I keep 100, 1,200 or 1,300 something, and height I change. Depends on the dashboard. So sometimes when I know that it should be something like PowerPoint presentation, I do like landscape, screen and so on, but normally almost everyone prefer like long dashboards. Let's see what is here. I have 1,500. I need this. Snap to smart guides and grid. I like to work with smart guides. It's when you see this like recommendations, the same like in a Word or like Google Docs, when you can align objects to each other. What else do we have in layout? Grid settings and report level component position, bottom or top. For example, I have a logo. It will be, I can apply this logo to make report level, and it will be on the top or below other elements. I keep on bottom. So we created our first report. We added data source. We work through theme and layout and set up our theme and layout. Next video, let's create a header for our dashboard and continue working on it. Hope you like it. Please follow me to do not miss next videos. Hope you like it. Find some interesting information on my website, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my website, and talk to you soon. Bye bye.